Cameraman here, folks, down here at Junkman's Paradise. We got Stuntman over here, little junkie over there with the fire hose, and Junkman over here. Now, folks, what we have is an ongoing feud between Junkman and Stuntman. Now, word on the street is that Junkman over here has been whooping poor old Stuntman with that vicious pompadour, okay? And what we have are two very, very similar Pathfinders. Now, Junkman's got the V6 3500 motor. Stuntman's got the 3.3 V6. Now, I'm down 0.2 already. I'm not gonna argue with him, but look at how clean the body is on his. His is green because Stuntman's Irish. Now, Junkman over here has got the red one because it looks like marinara sauce, right?
And he's Italian.
And he's Italian. But look at all that rot. Ladies and gentlemen, let me give this a nice rot kick.
Get over here.
Go ahead.
Let everybody know something. Last night, Junkman was fully in the bag.
Yeah, he had a rough night.
Okay, him and a very, very good friend, a German friend, Jägermeister, met up last night. Well, and I'm not gonna lie, being that Cinco de Mayo just passed, and my daughter likes to celebrate any goddamn holiday that she can drink. She's underage. I had leftover tequila in my house. Okay, so we drank a little last night.
Wow. Now go to Junkman's Paradise.
Get over here! Get over here! Get over here! Get over here!
Go to Junkman's channel. He'll explain all about it. He just uploaded a nice video about it. But folks, what did I do last night? I had ice cream. That's what I do. I have ice cream, folks. We all got our thing. You know what I mean? Anyway, this thing's horrible, folks. The rot is just, you know, it may get fun. I'll tell you why. The suspension might be rotted out.
What we're doing today, we're not just doing a power push. We searched far and wide to find two similar cars. Now get over here. We're doing a 4-low power push. This car right now is in 4-low, 258,000 miles on the odometer.
You know what I would like to be low? Your fucking voice.
Get over here! Get over here!
Wow, folks, I gotta get away. It hurt my ears right now. You guys that are wearing the ear pods, I gotta have your freaking ears blown out.
This vehicle's in 4-low. Come here.
Your hair looks like it's in 4-low, Stuntman. You know,
I'm ignoring the comments. Your words aren't gonna hurt me.
I'm hurting him with my words.
189,000 miles on this one. She's at 4-low. Hi, Junkman. Get over here. Get over here. His head's pounding right now. He's been complaining all morning. Oh my God! I'm gonna get my Jägermeister drink. Too bad.
Wow. I got. This is just out of control.
All right.
But look at this shine. Look at this shine on this one. This is a nice piece. And look at this thing. This looks like an old pair of jeans, the way my kids wear their jeans with the holes in them. Look at this, guys. Look at my hand. It's gone.
Well,
now it's back.
That there's one thing that everybody says during these challenges is that I've got the added weight advantage. Apparently now I don't.
That's right.
This is a couple of 100 pounds in rust gone from this truck.
He's got a good point, but he does have the extra 0.2 in the motor.
Notice the sunglasses. He's like, he's in full hungover mode. Full hungover mode. He's got the sunglasses, the hat on, full hungover mode. Not me!
Look at that hair. Look at the wind blowing. It's like,
look at that hair. It is unbelievable.
Like back in the day. Look, it's the feathered,
it is.
the
look at this one piece. Notice this piece here, just all up and around. Wow.
Really, it's like feathered back
it's
in
bad.
the day.
It's bad. It's like a feathered.
You break out into a Bee Gees song now?
Why don't you just part it in the middle?
Let me tell you something. I bet a lot of you neutral droppers weren't even born in 1982. I got the 1982 feather back look. Get in your car, Junkman.
Junkman, do me a favor. Kick his ass and shut him up. bring his voice down a few notches. The jump pack's under there. Don't worry about it. The world famous jump pack, folks. Look at that. We love that thing. All right, now, ladies and gentlemen, we have a challenge here. 4x4 power push. We're gonna see what happens, folks. Gentlemen, put that window down. We gotta put his window down. What the? Is it broken? I'm surprised that this thing has a broken window. It doesn't work, does it? Just for the hell of it, guys. Had to be done. Go ahead, gentlemen. Oh. Stuntman is winning a challenge! Oh no! I spoke too soon, folks! Whoa! It's back and forth! It's anyone's game, folks! It is anyone's game at this point, ladies and gentlemen. Oh! Wow! Where do you get to see it? Hold on a second. Gentlemen.
You hit my fence. You hit my fence. Working?
The 4x4s were working well, gentlemen. Do you know, I almost broke my ankle backing up. You notice when the camera went like this? Yeah, that was almost my ankle. I got a little bit of a limp going on. I just figured I'd let you guys know about that. But I gotta tell you, it was anyone's game. It was back and forth. Stuntman had Junkman up against the high-low. Junkman got him back right up. He pushed him into the wall. Stuntman makes a recovery, pushes him back, four-wheel spinning, smoke coming from everywhere, folks.
Just shut up. They all saw it. They all saw it. And they can rewind it if they want. But just shut the hell up.
Oh, folks. Here we are at Junkman's Paradise. Little junkies taking fan photos. This is incredible.
But now in the front end, both wheels weren't spinning.
No, you had 4x4 spinning. Junkman had 4x4 spinning. I don't know. I'm on one side. How can I tell if it's 3 tires? What's the matter with you? This guy's unbelievable. But I tell you,
we need more room.
Yeah, you need more. You definitely need more room. But I mean, what can I say, man? It was a really. What'd you think, young junkie? Because little junkie. I mean, look.
My dad was gonna win.
You think your dad was gonna win? You see?
Bullshit! Bullshit is what I'm calling. That wasn't a win.
Wow, look at the ground. I mean, just signatures all over the place. Look at that little area right there. Folks, I gotta tell you, I mean, do we call this a draw? Or, you know, you have so many wins, can't you just...
If the truck wasn't there, I could have pushed him straight out. I had to stop.
Oh, yeah, he could have pushed me to Albuquerque.
But not
the fuck out of here.
When I got off because I pushed you is when you got the momentum again.
Yes,
but, you know,
I noticed that.
But because if the truck wasn't there, I would have pushed you.
The famous...
The fucking Ohio!
He's like Aesop's Fables. He's got all these stories.
Oh, yeah. You want the win, take them. I don't care.
You know, you got so many wins.
Look at all the rings. Look at all the rings.
He really does.
Come on.
It doesn't even matter. Could you toss the kid a win? He just catch the win. He's going to catch the win, folks. We're going to call it Stuntman's win because, I mean, he put up a hell of a fight. You saw the smoke. You saw the engines ripping. 2 Pathfinders. I mean, I enjoyed it, folks. It was something. If there's no sports going on, ladies and gentlemen, this is what you watch right now. This is what you watch. Anyway.
I want to go home and watch my ceiling.
He wants to go home and watch his ceiling for about 2 minutes till he falls asleep. Folks, like, comment, subscribe. Check out Junkman on Junkman's Paradise. He'll tell you what happened last night. He'll run it down for you. And Stuntman, how you feeling?
I feel all right.
You feel like you need a haircut? Because you look like you need one. Like, comment, subscribe, folks. We're going all the way.